Understanding packing my bags, an English phrase explored. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, packing my bags. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help in mastering the nuances of the English language. So, let's unpack this phrase together. Packing my bags literally refers to the action of putting clothes, items, or belongings into a bag, usually in preparation for a journey or a trip. It's a physical activity that most of us have done at some point. For example, I'm packing my bags for my trip to London tomorrow. Before moving to a new city, she spent the whole day packing her bags. Interestingly, packing my bags can also be used figuratively to express a readiness for a new experience, change, or phase in life. It doesn't always involve actual bags. For example, after getting that job offer, I'm mentally packing my bags to start a new chapter in my life. He's packing his bags for retirement, planning to travel the world. This phrase is versatile. It appears in various contexts, such as travel, life changes, or even in expressing eagerness or preparedness. Variations include packing up, packing my things, or getting ready to go. For example, she's packing up her apartment before the big move. After his promotion, he's packing his things for the relocation. In movies, songs, or books, packing my bags can symbolize a journey or a significant change. It's a metaphorical tool that reflects transition or readiness for the future. For example, in a movie, a character packing bags might signal a turning point in the story. A song lyric about packing bags often symbolizes leaving behind the past. I hope this exploration of the phrase, packing my bags, has been enlightening. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and experiences they convey. Whether you're literally packing your bags for a trip or metaphorically preparing for a new adventure in life, this phrase is a wonderful example of the richness of the English language. Keep learning, and happy travels in your language journey.